Well, about 2,000 healthcare workers across Alberta launched a wildcat strike today as frustrations mounted over a contract dispute with Alberta Health Services. Among those who walked off the job were employees at Claresholm Health Centre and maintenance staff at the Chinook Regional Hospital. The spontaneous walkout coincided with information pickets that were set up at half a dozen hospitals across the province today. In Lethbridge, healthcare workers from across southern Alberta gathered outside the Chinook Regional Hospital over the lunch hour. They carried picket signs and chanted for fairness. Some of the workers refused to go back to their jobs, while others walked out in a show of support. The union says many employees consider the latest contract offers by Alberta Health Services to be insulting.
Things need to be done in a reasonable and fair manner. I know doctors have been offered zero, but at the same time, nurses and managers are getting their increases. So I'm not sure how the system works that we're going to hive off and separate it out so that two-thirds of the people who work in healthcare are the have-nots and the other third are the haves. And I'm not sure that we're going to have a system that's going to work very well in that circumstance.
Alberta Health Services issued a statement this afternoon, and they say that they are taking every precaution to ensure patient safety and care. They say contingency plans are in place and management is prepared to deliver services like meal delivery, portering, and room cleaning. Now, staff at a Lethbridge continuing care facility have voted overwhelmingly in favor of a strike if they don't get a better contract offer from their employer. Workers at the Edith Cavell Care Centre have voted 93% in favor of strike action. The 120 workers are represented by the Alberta Union of Provincial Employees. The care centre is owned by Chantel Management Limited. Union officials say that they're hoping the one-sided result will motivate the employer to go back to the bargaining table and present a collective agreement comparable to what's being provided to others in the region.
So what's going to happen now is the ball's in the employer's court. Obviously, they now know what the outcome of the vote is, and I mean, we're hoping we don't want to disrupt services, but the employer has the option to come back to the bargaining table, and we're hoping they'll do that.
Workers could walk off the job 72 hours after serving strike notice, but union representatives say they will give the employer time to respond. No job action is planned before the long weekend.